Is SAP S/4HANA, and it's number 7 because it's tied with Infor Cloud Suite, which was also number 7. And the reason they're tied is because very comparable results in our overall survey findings, and overall you could probably rank one over the other depending on which criteria you broke it down by, but for all practical purposes they're tied. And the reason SAP S/4HANA lands in the top 10 at number 7 is, first of all, it's largely tailored for larger organizations, a lot of broad capabilities. In some ways, it tries too much to be everything to everyone outside the world of manufacturing, but having said that, it still does have a fair amount of manufacturing capability. Now, the thing holding back SAP from moving up further in the top 10, at least for now, is that the manufacturing capabilities that a lot of complex manufacturers need and want out of their ERP system has not yet made it to S/4HANA in their cloud offerings. So, having said that, though, it has historically been a manufacturing-focused type of software. S/4HANA is quickly evolving and continuing to broaden and deepen its capabilities in the manufacturing space, and that's enough to land SAP S/4HANA at number 7 on our top 10 list. QAD is a fairly well-known manufacturing ERP organization. They focus exclusively on manufacturing organizations. They do a lot in auto, chemicals, process manufacturing, discrete manufacturing, a lot of different types of manufacturing sub-verticals. And they actually have a lot of mid-sized to larger organizations using the product. It may not be the best known product out there, but it's been around for a long time. They've been in the cloud for just over 10 years now, so their cloud offering is fairly mature compared to other systems out there. And one of the other interesting components of the QAD offering that is very appealing to a lot of organizations is the whole idea of configuring and flexibility of the software. So they have some software that they've developed that allow you to change software and workflows in a very powerful way, in a way that doesn't require you to change the code, and it's something that survives upgrades, and it allows you to maintain that capability in the cloud. So all those things in mind is enough to put QAD at number 2 on our list.